And this is the second part. Now let's go. As you seen in previous video, I did not add all the tags. So if I want to edit, I simply in the studio, I press on the video, I just upload it. I'll come down and now I know like what I want to edit. So in this instance, I want to add extra tags so people who looking for relevant content, they would be able to find. So I simply scroll down where is the tag section. Canvas design tips was the last one. I go back to ChatGPT and simply gonna copy and paste each of the tags so it's more chances for people to find my video on YouTube just by SEO. So it can show up on relevant videos and people can see it, what are the quickest and fastest way. So if they're gonna like it, they're gonna come as well to my links and most likely follow my training, and hopefully I'll get some new customers that want to change their lives and make money online with the straightforward tips exactly how to do instead of the BS bullshits and so on, just something that really helps. So this is for the basic SEO. I will go in and do another video where I'm gonna talk more about how to actually do uh, what actually is the stuff that it will help us to rank on top of the YouTube, uh, as it worked and over for me years and years. But for that, we'll need to have a longer video. So I'll I'll be back on that, but this is how you can edit YouTube videos to add extra tags. See you, stay sharp, and talk to you soon.